Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet all of you according to una time. Yes, my correct people, this one a message to all Biafrans. Anywhere you dey, you have to be very careful because the IGP of Nigeria don't declare war. Say anywhere we be say they see any IPOB members, may they shoot aside. Make it not be saying on my mouth now for here everything. Make I drop the video chapterly, make we watch them together. Meanwhile, if today not the first time we say they come across Anointed Lady TV, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of you now. As soon as they support this platform, they come. Now my God go richly bless you now. And if you never subscribe, please kindly smash on that subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we drop a new video. Let's watch this video together. Leave your opinion at the comment section. Bye bye.
To alert everyone about what is going on in the eastern part of Nigeria in Biafra land. There has been a lot of killings in Imo State. There has been a lot of killings in Ebonyi State. And this killing is ongoing. And now we are going to have another killing in Enugu State. So let it be on record that the governor of Enugu State has decided to bring a new Imo State in Enugu. And well, I don't know whether I would say it's a welcome development, but in Imo State, the Biafra people, innocent people are being killed. Those people being killed are not even member of ESN. They are not member of Eastern Security Network. The people being killed in Ebonyi State are not member of the Eastern Security Network. And apart from the fact that every person in Biafra, every Biafran is IPOB member, either by registration, by proxy, by, being born a Biafran indigenous person, the people being killed are innocent young men and women. So, and everybody now know that because of the fragile situation in Nigeria, people are not talking about it because the killing in Nigeria is too much. They are killing people every time, every day, every hour, every minute of the day. So, killing 20 people, killing 26 people in Biafra land is, it doesn't sound like a news to so many of them. So, but let it be on record that last night people were killed in Imo State and in Ebonyi State. And as you all know, the news is not carrying it. Somebody say, are we ready? Well, we are not, our own is, we are messengers. We are just delivering message. And I believe that the time to come and say, we are going to do this, we are going to do that is over. It is going to be action and action and action. Action, they say, speak louder. So, by the time we are going to start this defense and revenge and avenging the death of our people, we hope that everybody will keep quiet. You see, the level where this struggle is now is not the time to tell you what we are going to do. It's not the time to tell you, or for somebody to tell you, are we ready? Are we ready? My brother, it is a matter of whether you, whether it is not a matter of whether you are ready or not ready. What is happening now is what we know that it will come. They are already killing and the jihad is ongoing on. Something that breaks my heart, of course, it does not move us an inch, is that most of the officers that are being used to perpetrate this heinous crime against Biafra people, some of them are also Biafrans. Some of them are Biafrans. Some of them are sellouts. Some of them, they are doing this so that they will be promoted. And, without minding the consequences. Because every action of anybody from Biafra land who is a police officer, a military officer, every action, there is consequences. And the consequences will come. The consequences may not come to you today, but believe me, the consequences will come. The consequences of your action against your own people will definitely come. And it will definitely come sooner than you expected. So, today we are going to address and alert the public on the killings going on in Biafra land. Systematic genocide, systematic annihilation of Biafra people is ongoing, and we must stop them. We must stop them. We must stop them. We are going to do everything to stop them. And if you think that, for those who are asking, are we ready, are we ready, are we ready? My brother, my sister, if you are asking, are we ready, are we ready? It means that you are not even a Biafra. You don't even believe in Biafra. You don't believe in Biafra because even though you come online to support what we are doing, even though you come online to support Biafra because probably people know you and, so anybody, they know that nobody can publicly talk against Biafra now in Biafra land. Of course, God, they are trying to change that. So you are not with us. Because if you are with us, the question of are we ready should not be coming from you. No matter the condition of things, we need to sustain the propaganda being peddled by the government of Nigeria. We need to sustain the propaganda. We don't need to buy into the idea of we have killed 20 people, we have killed 50 people, we have killed 26 people, we have killed this, we have killed that. They have arrested IPOB member, they have arrested the Gonongo men. We cannot buy into those blackmail and propaganda. The Nigerian government are doing propaganda even when they did not kill anybody. They will come to tell you they have killed 10. We know they are killing. We know they are killing our people. We know they are killing our people, and we are going to kill them as well. Because in the process of self-defensing ourselves, we are going to kill them. So, those who will say, are we prepared? Are we prepared? You don't need to say, are we prepared? You don't need to be asking stupid questions. All you need to do is to support and pray and watch out. Watch out as the thing will unfold. Watch out to know, because you don't know what is going on. You don't know how prepared we are. We don't need to tell you how prepared we are. You just keep your mouth shut and watch as the things unfold. You don't expect that they are engaging our people, and then you expect them you expect us not to have some casualties when we are dealing with a terrorist government. We are dealing with people, not just a terrorist organization. We are dealing with terrorist government. People need to understand the gravity of the problem we are into. We are not only fighting Fulani herdsmen. We are not only fighting Fulani terrorists. We are not fighting them. We are not fighting only a group. We are fighting a terrorist government. You have to allow that to sink into your head. We are fighting a government that are using the security agencies, state actors, non-state actors to fight and kill our people for jihad. This is the problem we have. So we are fighting a government that are legitimately sponsoring terrorism. You understand the point? And you don't expect us to just be forming, is it American, what do I call it? Spider-Man, or expecting our people to be Wakanda, to be behaving like Wakanda, that nobody dies. People are going to die. We've made it very clear from the day one. People are going to die. It is going to be the ultimate price we will pay. But at the end of the day, we will have victory. We are going to continue to push. We are going to become brutal. We are going to do things that will shock the world. That is the only way the attention of the United Nations and other corrupt people will come to Nigeria. So if you think that when you hear that they have killed 5 IPOB, you will say they are killing our people. If you hear they have abducted 50 people, you say they are killing our people. They have been killing you with or without IPOB. They are going to kill you with or without IPOB. So what we are expecting every Biafrans, irrespective of how many numbers you hear they have killed every day, is to be very resolute and positive. Pray for our men that are on ground and stop being coward. Stop being coward. Coming online every day. They are killing our people. They are killing our people. Are we ready? Are we ready? They are killing our people. They are going to kill your people and even kill you yourself if you are in Nigeria. And like I said, they are going to kill you with or without IPOB, with or without ESN, with or without any agitator. They are going to kill you. So what you have to do now is that we have to come together to sustain the propaganda being peddled by the government of Nigeria. What they are doing now is what we call propaganda, mind manipulating. They're going to parade people telling you they have arrested IPOB member. The other one, they paraded somebody with a police uniform. They say he's a UK base. As I'm talking to you, an ambassador of Nigeria, one ambassador of Nigeria, sent me the news media today. He sent me a screenshot that look at your people. They have arrested him. And the question is, they are not arresting the Fulani killers. They are only arresting those they are parading as ESN and IPOB and Biafra people. And people are not concerned. The people of the East, you are not concerned. You are not concerned that the Nigerian government is making it very open that they are against anybody who have risen up to protect and defend your land. And they are abducting people and parading them as ESN and Biafra agitators. Anybody with guns in the eastern part of Nigeria automatically has become unknown gunmen. If they arrest you with gun in Imo State, they will say you are unknown gunmen, that you are part of those who attack the correctional facilities without investigation. Anybody you see with pump action, the police arrest anybody today in Imo State with pump action, they will tell you, hey, this is the person that one of them that attacked correctional facility without investigation. So the only investigation and the fact they have on you is that when they see you with arms, when they see you with arms and ammunition, automatically you were part of those who attacked the correctional center. What am I saying this morning? What I'm saying this morning is that those of you who are online asking, are we ready, should mind your business. If you know you cannot sustain the propaganda of Nigeria government, you leave the internet, because we will begin to attack those who are going on social media, our platform, and asking, are we ready? We are this campaign of are we ready, we are giving you people 2 weeks. 2 weeks so that the message will go everywhere. We are giving you 2 weeks. All Biafrans that are asking, are we ready? We will give you 2 weeks to make sure that within these 2 weeks, this message have gone across our media. It has gone across our platform. Nobody should come and ask on any Biafra platform, are we ready? What we want to be hearing from you is how we are going to defend our land and how we are going to deal with the terrorist government. This is what we want to be hearing. We don't want to hear all this nonsense you are peddling. You are falling to cheap blackmail. You are falling to cheap propaganda by the government of Nigeria. They know what they are doing. We're going to tell them we are on top of this game. We're going to tell them we are not just on top of this game. We are smart. We are educated. We are knowledgeable. We know how to manipulate the public. So we are going to make sure that we don't fall for the propaganda of the government of Nigeria. What are the propaganda? The propaganda is the news media you are seeing now. They are now, beefing up the propaganda. They are beefing up the propaganda. That every day they are telling you 26 people are killed. 10 persons are killed. IPOB commander have been arrested. ESN commander have been arrested. This one have been arrested. That one have been arrested. And so what? And so what? They will arrest them. And that is the price we will pay. Most of the people that are being arrested are not even IPOB members. But you know what? Everybody is IPOB. It is not even right to say they are not IPOB members. Because pardon my word, every fucking Biafra man is an IPOB. Whether you accept it or not, except you change the meaning of IPOB to something else. But as long as IPOB remain the indigenous people of Biafra, you are an indigenous person of Biafra, except you pack your load and leave the entire Biafra territory and denounce your lineage, denounce your ethnicity. Only then you will not be regarded as an indigenous people of Biafra or indigenous person of Biafra. So the 2 weeks start today. From after 2 weeks from today, any Biafran person that asks, are we prepared? We will regard you as the enemy of Biafra people. We will regard you as the enemy. We do not want to hear, are we prepared? What we want to be hearing from you is how we are going to deal with them. We are going to deal with them, whether you know any preparation from us or not. Whether you know how prepared we are or not. You owe that duty to the people on ground. You owe that duty to make sure you boost the spirit and morale of the people on ground. You don't come and turn against your own people. Every time, are we ready? Are we ready? How prepared are we? What are you doing? What are you contributing to the struggle to make it our preparation very, very formidable? What have you done? What have you done? We are looking for millions and millions and millions of naira to buy arms and ammunition to protect our land. How many of your billionaires have contributed money to the struggle to protect Biafra land? How many of your billionaires, how many businessmen in Biafra have contributed money to buy arms and ammunition? And you come here and you say, are we prepared? Are we prepared? Are we prepared? You are going to wait and see how prepared we are. We will not tell you how prepared we are. We are not going to review any fucking thing to you. If you want to know how prepared we are, you come and join the Biafra struggle. Not just joining the Biafra struggle on social media. Come with your ideas, come with your knowledge, come with your wisdom, come with your gift, the gift God gave to you, and prove yourself so that you will know how prepared we are. You cannot stay on the fence. And you want to know the thing inside the house. If you want to know the content of the house, you come and do what it takes to go inside the house to see the content of the house, to see what is inside the house. You cannot stay by the fence of the house and you are asking, what do you have inside the house? What do you have inside the room? What is inside the parlor? How does the parlor look? If you want to know how the parlor of the house look, come inside from the gate. Don't jump the fence. Come inside the gate. Enter the gate. Do whatever. Sorry, I have a call and somebody just disturbed me. I'm sorry about that. So like I was saying, if you want to know the content and what is inside the house, you do what it takes to enter the house, enter the compound, You will be allowed. Knock at the gate of the compound. Let them open the compound for you. They will tell you who are you. They will search you very well. They will search you, tell them who you are. And they will allow you to enter the gate. When you enter the gate, you cannot have access to the room. You cannot have access to inside the house. And then you can see for yourself what they have, and not staying by the gate or at the fence, and you are asking question, are we ready? Are we ready? I don't want to hear that kind of nonsense question. And anybody from today who asks me, who even contact me to ask me question, are you ready? Are you ready? Believe me, I will block you, and I will never receive call from you again. So the warning goes to everybody. The warning goes to everybody. People calling me should stop. The people calling me should stop. The warning goes to everybody. Every fucking body. Don't contact me to ask me, are we ready? I don't want to hear that again. And like I said, share this video, share it, let it go to every platform of Biafra agitators. Anywhere after 2 weeks from today, anywhere you hear anybody ask you, are we ready? Are we ready? Block the person, tag the person as the enemy of Biafra. Enemy of Biafra. Because it is only an enemy that will be asking such question. Are we ready? Are we ready? What kind of nonsense is that? They are coming. They have already come. They have brought war to us. Let me read what the IG say. Let me read what the IG, the Acting Inspector General of Police. Look at it. The Acting Inspector General of Police. IGP declare war on Biafra agitators. IGP declare war on Biafra agitators. Do you know what he said? Let me tell you. Do you know what he said? He said, don't mind the media. The media shout. Do the job. Kill everybody you see. And don't mind what the media say. Don't mind what the human rights group will say. Kill. Now, if this is not a crime under international law, what else is crime? This is the crime against humanity. This is a crime inciting the people to kill. This is a crime of genocide for the Inspector General, Acting Inspector General of Police, to not know what can be done, what the rule of engagement. The rule of engagement. You can't go and start killing people who are not killing you or who are not shooting at you. If the police want to kill, let them wait until the unknown gunmen engage them. If they kill unknown gunmen in the battle, I think it is acceptable under international law, because the police have no choice than to engage those who want to kill them. It is acceptable under international law. If the unknown gunmen come to your station to burn the station, to kill you, you have to defend yourself by shooting back at them. And if in the process you kill them, nobody have issue with you. But you cannot come to a peaceful Biafra land and you begin to abduct innocent men, innocent young men, and you tag them criminals. Let me read what this man said here. I believe some of you must have seen the news. The Acting Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, on Tuesday declared war on Biafra agitators and the gunmen attacking and destroying police infrastructure in the southeast and the south region, and ordered their extermination. You know what that means? This is the biggest crime you can commit in the 21st century. Ordered their extermination. They have ordered the extermination of Biafra people, and you are sitting there telling me how prepared are we? You see, the man went further. Baba, who spoke on the sideline while addressing the police mobile force and the special tactical squad on the force in Enugu shortly after he launched Operation Restore Peace. So the only way for IGP to restore peace in Enugu is to kill every male child you see in Enugu, to kill everybody, and he is even boasting. They should not mind whatever media say. They should not even listen to any human rights organization that it will come to his table and he will put it under his table. Now he went further. He said he directed policemen in the region not to adhere to the rule of engagement. This man is telling them not to adhere to the rule of engagement. How will Fulani? And we know that they may come to deny it too. So it is not a new thing to us. The order has been given. They will come to deny it. If the thing begin to generate some kind of reaction, they are going to deny it. We know how they do. But that does not mean that they have not said it. And that does not mean that the officers don't understand what it means when they come to say they did not say it, or when they come to deny it. They have taken the instruction is there. Now, he said, do not adhere. He advised the policemen in the region not to adhere to the rule of engagement while dealing with Biafra secessionist group. That they must not adhere to the rule of engagement while dealing with Biafra secessionist group. He did not say Biafra criminals. He did not say Biafra terrorists. He said Biafra secessionist group. It is a...
Welcome back, my correct people. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, my wonderful people, no need to fear. All we need to do now is to be very vigilant and prepared. Leave your opinion for the comment section now. Like the video and also share so that other people will still get this information. And if you find this video informative, subscribe. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Stay safe, stay cool. Bye bye.